Credit Karma furnishes more Vantage scores than any other third-party score furnishers annually. They are actually the most popular company that furnishing Vantage score. Credit Karma ranks the highest in doing so annually over any other company that provides you a Vantage score. The reason being is because one, they offer and they market a free Vantage score as long as you sign up for their platform. But a lot of people are not aware of this, that the Credit Karma is not a credit monitoring site. It is actually a marketing site. That is how Credit Karma wheels you in and gets you to provide your information, and then they start marketing things to you regarding their products that other companies solicit. Basically make sure that you sign for those products. Also, Credit Karma receives a compensation from third-party advertisers.